Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that's important for anyone looking to build or improve their credit scores. Great credit cards are specifically designed for those of us with a lower credit score. So, if you've ever felt anxious about your credit history, you're definitely not alone, but I have some really great information for you today that could change how you think about credit. So, let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, why is building your credit score so important? Well, a good credit score can definitely be a game changer. Having good credit, it impacts everything from securing a mortgage, getting that converted car loan, or even landing a job. Yes, some employers do check your credit report as the hiring process. So, if you have a lower credit score, it can feel like you're stuck in a financial rut, but there is hope. So, if you stick around for this video, I'm going to be sharing with you about two amazing credit cards that can help you build your personal credit score. Now, the Fortivia credit card and the Reflex credit card both are excellent tools, not only for building your credit score, but also for managing your finances responsibly. So let's start with the Festivia credit card. Now, this card is a specifically designed for the individuals with lower credit scores, making it accessible option. One of the standout features of the Festivia is that it's low starting credit limit. So this means that it encourages you to use this card responsible. So keeping your usage down low, you can see credit utilization is an important factor in determining your credit score. By keeping your usage below 30% of your credit limit, you're signaling the creditors that you can manage your credit wisely. Now, Fortivia also does reports your payments to all three major credit bureaus. So this is important because it means that every on-time payment you make will help improve your credit history. Now that means your good financial habits are recognized, helping you to climb that ladder and helping you build your personal credit. Now, as you guys can see with the Fortivia credit card, they do come with rewards as well. So everyday purchases are more rewarding with Fortivia. You will earn 3% cashback rewards on gas, groceries, purchases and utility bills payments plus 1% cashback on rewards on all eligible purchases. So they also do have real-time account notifications, zero fraud liability, card control features, free credit score, and credit building reporting, anytime account access any device. And also, you can pre qualify for this credit card without no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. Now, as you guys can see, the credit application process for this credit card is very simple and straightforward. All you will need is your first name, your address, your email, your mobile number, and this is just to pre-qualify your date of birth, your social, and your annual gross income. So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and accept the terms of the over limit coverage, just in case that you are approved. You will have to pay a fee of $1.99. And you will also have to go ahead and accept the credit protection as well in order to go ahead and go through with your application. Now, this card can definitely be a great credit card, especially again if you have a lower credit score. Now, again, this card is designed for people with a lower credit score. So, if you have a low credit score of 640, you definitely have a shot of getting approved for the Fativia credit card. Now, with the Fortivia credit card, they do have a limit between $350 and $2,000. Now, everyone who gets approved for the Fortivia Mastercard is guaranteed a credit limit of at least $350. Now, this is all based on credit worthiness. So, if you have a higher credit score than 640 and have somewhat of a decent credit background or profile, as I should say, your chances could be a lot higher instead of 350. There's a chance that you might be approved for $1,000 credit limit starting off. Now, a lot of factors do play a part in approving you for the Fortivia credit card with just like any other credit card. So they look at things as, again, your income, your credit, your debt, your recent credit inquiries, number of open accounts, housing status, and everything else. So all of that is taken in consideration when they are looking at your application to approve you. Now, if you are approved for the Fortivia credit card, they will do a hard pull when you apply for it. So you should definitely be aware that this might have a short term negative effect on your credit score. Now, let's go ahead and shift gears and talk about the Reflex credit card. Now, like Fortivia, Reflex is another fantastic option for those struggling with credit issues. Now, one of the greatest features of the Reflex credit card is that it offers a quick pre qualification. Now, with the pre qualification, it allows you to find out if you are approved without affecting your credit score. Now, that is definitely a cool option, especially when you are trying to build your credit and you have a lower credit score. Now, when applying with the pre approval, they kind of give you the confidence of applying for this card or any other card when it comes to pre approval, which I think is amazing for people with a lower credit score or that's struggling to get approved for credit. Now, Reflex is also known for its flexible payment options and wide acceptance, which means you can use it anywhere that Master is accepted. Just like that, for TVA, Reflex also does report to the major credit bureaus, helping you build your credit with every responsible use of this credit card. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. What are the catch? Now, it's important to talk about the fees associated with these cards. Both Fortivia and Reflex might come with annual fees and interest rates that can definitely be higher than your traditional credit cards. So, definitely before applying for these credit cards, you want to go to these websites and make sure that you are reading the fine print for both cards and understanding the fees if that's something that you would like to put yourself in. However, keep in mind that they are specifically designed for those of us in the lower credit score bracket. So the goal isn't to always stay with these financial credit cards, but rather to build credit history and start a journey towards a better financial future. Now, with the Fortivia Reflex credit card, you can get approved up to $1,000 limit. It takes less than a minute, so they give you an instant approval process with this, and you can review your offer and apply, so you don't have to go ahead and accept it right away. You can make a decision whether or not that's something that you want to put yourself into, or if you feel like this card can definitely be a great card for you. Now, as you guys can see, a limit up to $1,000. MasterCard Zero Liability Protection. They do report to all three major credit bureaus. And as you guys can see, the application process very simple. So you're going to go ahead and put your first, last name, middle initial, your home address, city, state, zip, email, confirm your email address, your social, and your total monthly income. Now, they will or can offer up to $1,000. And it just depends on your credit overall and credit worthiness when it comes to being approved for any kind of credit card when you are building your personal credit. Now, they have the buy-in power of Mastercard Zero Liability Protection. And again, they report to all three major credit bureaus, making sure that they are reporting your on-time payments so that way you can build your personal credit. Now, with these credit cards, you definitely want to make sure that you are making these payments on time. So if you have a credit card for $1,000, you want to keep your credit utilization under 30%. So you don't want to use more than what you have available for your credit limit. So that goes for any amount. So 1,000, 200, 500. You want to make sure that you are not maxing out your credit limit. You want to stick on, if you're going to apply for any cards like these, that it's going to help you build and report to the credit bureau to help you get access to other credit cards that you want, instead of getting access to credit cards that is decent and that they will help you build your credit. So these are things that you want to look at when applying for credit cards. So, how do you make the most of these credit cards? It's simple. Here are a few tips that I do recommend for anybody with these credit cards. Use it regularly, but wisely. Make small purchases that you can afford to pay off every month. So, whether it's gas, a little bit of food here and there, this will help your credit utilization ratio and keep your score on the rise. Now, two will be always make your payments on time. So, late payments can definitely damage or impact your credit score. Set up reminders or automatic payments. Another great option is to watch your credit report. So use the free services that they offer to keep an eye on your credit score and ensure that all your hard work is paying off when it comes to applying for these credit cards. Now, remember, building credit takes time. So you definitely have to put in the work. It's not an overnight process, but for some situations, it definitely can be. But with consistent effort, you will see improvement in your credit score. Now, in conclusion, both Fortivia and Reflex credit cards are excellent starting points for anyone looking to build their credit score from the ground up. I hope this information was very helpful. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share with anyone you think could benefit. Now, let's help keep each other on this journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep striving for the better for your credit score and a brighter financial future. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.